Hello, everyone. So this is the last of the anthology texts that I would like you to have a look at. There's three that can turn up on the exam. And so I thought I'd send you some resources to help you with that. Now, I know that you are balancing a lot of things. So I'm going to ask you to do what you can. Now, you don't have to do every single um, task on here. Do if you can, if you have time. But I think the most important thing is just the annotations at the end. And I found a great video online that goes through some of that to help you. All right. I've also got my revision sheet, which I'll share with you as well. So you've got three of those to help you with revision, and they pick out the best quotes and are a good overview of the text for your revision for question 4 for the 3 anthology texts. So we're looking at the text from the anthology called The Danger of a Single Story. Okay. And I'd like you to start by writing down what you know about Africa. So write down 10 African countries, no Google, all right, just do your best, see if you can come up with 10. I think you should if you think about it. Then 10 interesting things that you know about the continent of Africa. If you can, use the extension task is to use the internet to find out 10 more interesting facts about the continent. You might find that when you look at those, that you might have thought about some negative connotations or some negative facts about the continent. And maybe you've sort of relied on stereotypes. We all do that, and it's very, very easy to do in life. And that's kind of what this text is about. Think about how Africa is represented in the media. Okay, charities trying to raise money in support for famine-stricken and war-torn countries often rely on upsetting images and stereotypes. Now, they're doing it for a good cause, but is it still the right thing? Does it promote this idea that everyone in Africa is poor or suffering or uneducated? We call that a single story, okay? And here is a nice satirical video, which I found quite funny, that I thought I'd share that with you. It's got one naughty word in it, so do be warned. But this is quite a funny one about these sort of adverts that we see all the time that are very, very, very stereotypical. I've just put some slides on there that you can have a look at. This idea of volunteerism, people that go abroad to try and do good things, but actually do it in a very patronizing way, in a way that benefits them and centers them and what they're about rather than the other people there. Those images make you think about that topic. And what I'd like you to do is read through the anthology text. You can highlight places where Adichie misjudges or stereotypes people based on what she's heard, and another highlight places where Adichie and her culture are stereotypes and misjudged by others. Okay, and this is a really interesting speech that she gives because it's about the danger of a single story. Only having one view of a place or of a people is really easy to misjudge them. What I like about this is that she admits her issue with this as well and how she's prone to doing it as well. So she's very honest, and I like that. The speech originally took part as part of a TED Talk. It's about 20 minutes long. So there's a copy of that TED Talk there. And then, then there's this great annotation that I found online for you, okay, where the teacher goes through every line. So if you can do a close analysis of it with detailed notes, that'd be really, really good, okay? If not, you can always rely on my notes, okay, my crib sheets, which you have 3 of, and they contain some really good starting points, which should help you in your exam, okay? Tonight, I will be sending you another revision video for the exam. So keep an eye on that, and that should hopefully help you with everything you'll need for Wednesday. All right. I'll make sure I resend all the resources so you have everything there as well. And yeah, that should be everything you need. If you have any questions or worries or concerns, please feel free to drop me an email. All right. Thank you very much.